All right, this is the elevator at Dick's House of Sport, Ross Park Mall. We've got a Schindler 5500. And it's Scenic. This used to be Sears. There used to be a Westinghouse in this store. Okay, this thing is really nice. Let's get a cab view before we go anywhere. This is a really nice elevator. Check this thing out. Go down to 1. There we go. Go back up to 2. 3,500 pound capacity. Take this for 2 round trips so we can look out each window. Nice. Go back down to 1 again. Door close does not work. This is a really nice store. Alright, we'll look out these doors this time. Yeah, this thing is seriously cool. Gliding back up on 2. And we'll look out this window. There goes the counterweight. Yeah, this is a really nice elevator. There's your call station. There it goes. Any day now. There it goes.